guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about cloves and its health benefits. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share this video so other people can learn one or two from it. Okay, so I'll be starting my story with, remember that video I did that I told you guys I went to do my teeth scaling and polishing. I went to remove tartar from my teeth. Yeah, after that scaling and polishing of my teeth, I started having some pains later. So the pain was becoming unbearable because I experience the pain anytime I take hot stuffs. Most times when I take cold thing, I don't really feel the pain like that, but when I take hot stuffs, I start feeling pains. So I complained to one of my doctor friends and he was like, listen, I saw cloves on one of your status story. Do you have cloves in the house? I said, yes, I have cloves in the house, but what does that have to do with what I'm telling you? I'm telling you I have to pay and telling me I should go and you're asking me if I have cloves in the house. I said, listen, just chew 2 cloves and thank me later. And I was like, guy, I have to pay. I asked him to go and chew cloves. That blessing, stop being stubborn. Go and chew 2 cloves. I said, okay, no wahala. So I went to chew 2 cloves, guys. The pain actually left after a while, and I was like, I didn't take any pain relief. I didn't do anything. I only chew cloves. And I was wondering, was it the clove or maybe the pain was actually about leaving when I took the clove? Then later, when I started having the same pain, I went to chew 2 cloves again, and guess what? Yes, the same thing. The pain disappeared. Okay, so I now later went to make my research, and I wrote down some stuff I learned on my research, which I'll share with you guys today. So first off, I learned that cloves has eugenol. That eugenol means a natural pain reliever and antiseptic. How it works for, and if you check most of your toothpaste, most of your close-up, most of your toothpaste here, it has eugenol in it. Yeah, it helps in removing pain, relieving pain, and it serves as an antiseptic. Okay, also I noticed that cloves help to improve gut motility, and it helps to improve better oral health. That's not all, it also helps to maintain a healthy gut. That is not all. I also got to know that cloves serves as an antioxidant. Guys, that's not all. It helps improve your immune system. That's still not all. Cloves also help regulate your cholesterol level. It also helps in fighting some heart diseases. It also helps in chest pain, because I noticed when I take it when I'm having chest pain, it actually works for me. So guys, I don't know, I decided now that I'm going to be taking 2 cloves every day. I don't know how that is going to be helpful to me, I don't know, but I am seriously going to start taking 2 cloves every day. But before I continue, I want to tell you this as a human being, because I know most times what we do is that when we use something, we want to tell the other person that is maybe having the same symptoms with us to use it, hoping or thinking it will work for them. Meanwhile, it might cause more harm than good to them. Okay, when I was working in a pharmacy, what we usually tell people is that when we give you a drug and it works for you, when your neighbor is having that same symptoms, tell that neighbor to go and run a test or to go to a specialist to complain. Don't give the neighbor the same drug, because imagine me now giving you ibuprofen because you have pain, but I know you don't have ulcer, and your friend that has ulcer comes to you and you feel since ibuprofen worked for you to work for that friend, and you end up giving it to the friend. Guy, that friend has ulcer and it will cause more damage than good to the friend. So I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say. Because this cloves works for me now, I'm trying to give testimony about cloves. I'm not saying you should just go and start using cloves. No, learn to know your body and what your body wants, and what work for your body and what will not work for your body. Please make your own research to know that, okay, fine, cloves is good for me and cloves work for me before using cloves. Don't come and call blessing later that it was me that advertised cloves to you. No. So as we were saying, I also got to know that cloves have antimicrobial properties. Cloves helps to kill bacteria in the digestive tract and reduce the risk of infection. That means you can actually also use these cloves to treat infection. Okay, if you don't want to chew it because maybe you feel it might stain your teeth with time or stuff like that, you can actually drink this. As you put the seed in a cup and you add hot water to it. I even learned that some people add garlic to it. Garlic is garlic also has so many health benefits. So yeah, you can drink it with garlic, no wahala. You can drink it like that, no problem also. So you just have to put it in a cup and then add hot water to it. Then you drink. Guys, this thing here, you can use it to cook, but most people don't know that. Most people don't know you can use this thing to cook. Guys, from now on, I'm not just going to be chewing cloves, I'm also going to be cooking with cloves because, man, it has so many health benefits. Please make your own research, and if you've been using clove for a while now, please come and share your secrets with us. What else do you feel, or do you know, or do you think clove does to the body that you need to let us know? And also, what are the disadvantages? Please write in the comment section. We'll be waiting for your feedback. We'll be waiting to learn from you and all of that. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Don't also forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.